Touchscreen. Use a wire cutter to cut all the zip ties, but be careful not to damage any of the cables. Unplug the connector from the back of the credit card reader, but be sure to pull on the connector, not the cable. Unscrew the safety strap on the back of the touchscreen. It's very important to be sure that the front of the bezel is supported by a stand before you do this. Now unplug all the cables connected to the touchscreen, starting with the control, power, and video cables. Place the cables to the side so that they are out of the way. Remove the 4 mounting screws. There are 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top of the metal frame. Put light pressure on the front of the touchscreen to push it out of the frame. There are small double-sided VHB tape pads which need to be separated. Take the old defective touchscreen and then set it to the side. You'll need to reuse the 4 small double-sided VHB tape pads on the new touchscreen. You may place them as shown. Now carefully place the new touchscreen into the mounting frame and push down on the tape locations on the top and the bottom of the screen. Start all 4 mounting screws before tightening them. Connect all the cables to the touchscreen: power, video, and control, and then use the zip ties to secure the cables in place. When securing the remaining cables with the zip ties, it helps to bend the zip tie like a hook, and then feed it through the small holes on the back side of the touchscreen. Start on the credit card reader to dress the wiring harness. Push the protective split loom into the metal bracket and plug in the credit card reader cable. Zip tie the cables in place and cut the excess of the zip ties. Reattach the safety strap on the back of the screen.